What's good, AR Squad? Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with your girl. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that post bell notification so you do not miss anytime I post a new video. So, y'all, today I'm going to react to Led Zeppelin, Black Dog, live at Madison Square Garden, 1973. All right, so let's go ahead and serve a toast to Led Zeppelin. All right, let's get right into it. Y'all was commenting this one a lot, so I said I gotta check it out. Cause AR Squad don't never let me down. Y'all never let me down. All right, let's get into it.
Hey, mama, see the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove.
Already with the doggone shenanigans. Let me go ahead and let this play. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Mama, see the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. The way you swing, gonna make you burn, gonna make you stay. When you walk that way, let your honey drip, I can't keep away.
The guitar is going crazy. Oh my gosh, it always be the music for me. It always be that for me. Always be that for me.
Got a flaming heart, can't get my fill. I'll shine, burning red, dreams of you all through my head.
Not a call and response.
What people mean by down and down. Spent my money, I took my car, started telling her friend she gonna be a star. Now I don't know, but I've been told a big leg woman ain't got no soul.
That is going crazy for me. Like, to hear it in my headphones. Can y'all, if you got on headphones, turn it up. Do y'all hear what I'm talking about? The like, that's going crazy for me in my headphones. Crazy.
Woman gonna come my way. I need a girl to hold my hand, won't tell me no lies, make me a happy man.
Is that considered to be a guitar riff? What he going off on? Cause this is crazy. That sounds crazy. I gotta go back. Listen, stop playing with my emotions like this. Why is he going off on his guitar like this? Oh my gosh. Absolutely. Bruh. Amazing. Like, y'all, somebody had commented, it was like, welcome to the world of rock. You gonna love it here. Facts. I already told y'all, I don't know why I grew up thinking I did not like rock and roll. I always thought it was like a lot of screaming and like, I don't know what was wrong with me. I'm gonna be honest, but I definitely love it here, like wholeheartedly, for real. That's crazy. That there, my friend, had me in a choke hold. Okay, a choke dog on hold, y'all. I ain't even finna hold y'all. Like, that's crazy. Like, oh my gosh. Yes, I definitely have to go down the Led Zeppelin rabbit hole because ain't no way. Y'all, anyways, if y'all like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, like, comment, subscribe, share that for your girl. Tell your mom, tell your daddy, your grandma. Everybody need to come over to the AR Squad. Also, if you guys want me to start doing shout outs, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, go ahead and I don't know why I'm tongue tied, y'all. Please forgive me. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. All you have to do from there is go ahead and upload a picture on your story, on your Instagram story of you watching one of my videos. Make sure you tag me so I know that you watching, you know, because I don't want you to put it on your story and I don't see it because you ain't tagged me. But yeah, y'all, anyways, AR Squad, stay beautiful, stay sweet, and keep your business out the street. Bye, y'all.